Namaskar, I am Swami Dhyanabhay from India and let us explore Cheetah Gufa or Cheetah Dongri. It is also known as Chitri Dongri. This place is situated in Chhattisgarh's Balod district's Daundi Lohara block. And here is with us Mr. Leeladhar Devangan, who is guide as well as teacher and my friend. This place is famous for Neolithic period's wall painting. There are many wall paintings. These prehistoric wall paintings are very important. So government is also trying to conserve, and it is also developed as picnic spot. You can see some solar panels and huts also there. And now we are going to see Cheetah Gufa. This is Mr. Suimal Srivastav, my friend. And here is Mr. Ramkaran Kushwaha ji, who is shaking hand. And this is Mr. G.S. Yadav ji. So by and by we'll try to show the beauty and historical importance of this place. You can see there are small caves behind, and this is a path to go upward, though it is very small hillock, but very beautiful and very charming. We are going upwards. From this side, and here is wooden stairs to go at the top of the hillock. Now Kushwaha ji is climbing, followed by Mr. Devangan ji, Yadav ji, and my friend Suvimal Srivastav. Now we are at the top of the hillock, and you can see beautiful panorama around. This is a very big dam. Now you are watching a beautiful view from the top of Cheetah Dongri of Gondli Dam. The name of this Gondli Dam derived from the village Gondli, which was emerged during its construction. And this is the top area of Cheetah Dongri, and you can see from this top the beautiful view of dam and nature scenery. Hills are surrounding and beautiful greenery. You can see from here, I am zooming it. It is called Dalli Rajhara mine. The hill which is famous for iron ore. And now you are watching a gate of cave. There are 3-4 gates of small cave. This is another gate. This one is sidewise gate.
पीछे जाकर आपको दिखाता हूँ।
And now, through this path, we are going to see wall paintings.
इधर भी एक छोटी सी गुफा है और हम जा रहे हैं भित्ति चित्रों को देखने।
And it is believed that these wall paintings are very important because of its prehistoric and Neolithic period. The path is not so difficult, very easy.
ये
In this portion, you can see wall paintings. If you observe carefully,
भित्ति चित्र
then you can see. Otherwise, you can miss.
में है
Here,
करके आप
our guide, Mr.
कुछ
Leeladhar Devangan, is showing, pointing out. You can see
पॉइंट आउट कर रहे हैं।
some images.
यहाँ पर कुछ आकृति है। कहाँ पर सर?
Here you can see some images.
ये
Yes, there is
डिजाइन बनी हुई
something like net and something like camel.
और यहाँ पर
Here some figures which cannot be detected properly. This is sun. And
यहाँ
here is like some pillars, some other images, some
क्या है, कुछ पक्षी जैसी है
they are not clear.
और ये नीचे भी आप देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पर भी, और इसके आगे ये भी लगता है सर, लेकिन ये देखिए
Here is also
जैसी दिखाई दे रही है।
a figure like human body. Yes, you can see a head, two eyes.
ये यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे, ये कुछ गरुड़ जैसा कुछ पक्षी,
There is also some
ये यहाँ पर
figures.
सवाल ये उठता है कि इस
It seems
ऊंचाई
like
पर जाकर
some geometrical figures.
कैसे इसको बनाया होगा और किन रंगों का इस्तेमाल किया होगा कि जो आज तक सुरक्षित हैं। मैं धीरे धीरे नीचे आते जा रहा हूँ। ये कुछ
There are some lines drawn.
अस्पष्ट हैं मेरे लिए, और यहाँ नीचे आते जाते हैं।
And at the bottom of rock,
यहाँ देखेंगे नीचे तो ये
you can see
जाली
this net-like figure,
जाल जैसा
something like net.
और यहाँ पर ये
And here is also
की आकृति,
a figure like pineapple.
और कहाँ पर है? ये देखिए सर, इसको पॉइंट
As we are, one of my friend is touching
हाथ पैर कहाँ दिख रहे हैं?
these
अच्छा,
wall paintings.
देखिए ये
It is also very
यहाँ पर है,
easily approachable to anyone,
लोग छू छू के देख रहे हैं। इसी तरह से
but
लोग आकर के इसको देख
nobody is caring to protect
आवश्यकता है
them,
कि इन्हें संरक्षित किया जाए।
because I think here you can see some sun-like figure, something like sun.
और इनको नष्ट होने से बचाया जा सके।
If it is not protected, it will very soon
जाली
can be destroyed
पाइनएप्पल जैसे
by
आकृति दिख रही है।
visitors.
मिट गया ना।
Some may erase it also.
यहाँ कुछ बना हुआ था और ये हो सकता है समय के प्रभाव में ये नष्ट होती जाएं। अगर इनको संरक्षित नहीं किए गए तो निश्चित रूप से एक साथ कुछ समय बाद ये समाप्त हो जाएंगे।
And this
ये कुछ मानव आकृति जैसी बनी है।
some flower pot like figure is here, some human body like. Now we are
ये एक और
moving
चट्टान है यहाँ पर।
towards different parts of this rock, and one thing is very noticeable, that how one can
तरह के
make
चित्र है, मैं उसे
such
दिखाता हूँ आपको।
painting at the such height of the rock, and why someone painted it. This question is also very important. This is another part of rock where some wall paintings are also available. You can see this figure. Figures are not clear, but I am not historian because so I can't say. Just I am showing, just I am pointing out these are famous wall paintings. Yes, here is one human body,
मानव आकृति जैसी दिखाई दे।
figure of human body. Perhaps it is female's figure.
अब चूंकि मैं इस विषय का ज्ञाता नहीं हूँ इसलिए इसे समझ नहीं पा रहा हूँ। इसका जो पुरातात्विक महत्व है ये
Female is in sitting posture. Here is also something not clear.
इस हिस्से में भी कुछ
If you want to visit this place,
हिस्से दिखाई दे।
this is very
संभवतः यहाँ कोई आकृति
close to Sahgaon village, and Sahgaon is 11 kilometer far from Daundi Lohara block headquarter of Balod district, and Balod district is in Chhattisgarh. Very easily approachable.
धन्यवाद।
And I think there is no need any guide if you watch this video. वीडियो को साझा करें, शेयर करें ताकि किसी पुरातत्व वैज्ञानिक तक पहुंच जाए। Thanks a lot for watching this video. Thank you very much.